show me, Ikyo. No, suwa yung attack. Show me, Ikyo. Release. Pati pag-lock, release. And then, go. Ready. Huwag matagal ang lock. Ready. Go. Okay, attack properly. Huwag mo terura. Gusto mo makita. Ayan. Hold. You just drop. Hold. Yeah, hold. Go. Hold. Ikyo. Ikyo. Good stance. Go. Attack properly. Attack, attack. One more time again. Gusto makita. Okay, attack ng maayos. EQ lang yan. Kaya napakasimple. Go. That's EQ. It's not EQ. Not attack. Go. Yes, yeah. Yes. Wala nang twist-twist yung kamay. EQ nga eh. Pag sinabing EQ first technique, o iikot na naman. Ay! O! EQ! 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 Yan! Hoy, Mika, huwag mo nang brasuin. Asan yung center nyo? Yung elbow niya nandito. Nakatapat. Pinupwersa nyo. O. O, kata minute. Kata pala, kata. EQ. O, ngayon, EQ. Go. Bilisan naman ano. Gusto mo makita. Pero maayos, ha? Kahit hindi mag-tap, basta lock ng maayos and then go. Ready. Gusto mo makita. Umote-ura. Okay. Ano, basta lakman na ngayon. Go, go, go. Ay, ibig lang lagi. Okay, Sampio. Same. Switch. Dito. Switch first yung right hand. Switch on the no, your right hand. No, your right hand on the here, grab. Your right hand. No, on the top. It. And going forward, very lock. Move backwards. Thank you. Move behind. Exhale. Switch and go. Go behind. Go. No, you change your hand. Go. Yes. Going for the feet. Yeah. Next, hand me on the cheek. Hand me on the cheek. Kata de lori. Kiyonagi. Go. Kumati. Hold. Not hold. Go. Then I want to see Ura. Ayan na naman, Mika na naman. Nagmamadali ka, ikot mo ang tataas niya sa tapat niya. Inaangat mo kagad yung paa mo eh. Sukurya. So you're behind of your nagi. Kapag Omote ura, pro, I want to see ura, pro. Pro use a pro. Again, do it again. What are you doing? Okay. So, to kainin natin. Bend the elbow of your partner. Same guy. Yes. Sukurya. Center.